Hi everyone, welcome to SS English channel. You learn in a fun way. Follow, subscribe and like to join us.
This morning a cat got stuck in our tree. Dad said, right, just leave it to me. The tree was wobbly, the tree was tall. Mom said, for goodness sake, don't fall. Fall, scarf, Dad, a climber like me. Child's play, this is you wait and see. He got out the ladder from the garden shed. It slipped, he landed in the flower bed. Never mind, said Dad, brushing the dirt off his hair and his face and his trousers and his shirt. We'll try plan B, stand out of the way. Mom said, don't fall again, okay. Fall again, said Dad, funny joke. Then he swung himself up on a branch, it broke. Dad landed wallop back on the deck. Mom said, stop it, you'll break your neck. Rubbish, said Dad. Now we'll try plan C. Easy as winking to a climber like me. Then he climbed up high on the garden wall. Guess what? He didn't fall. He gave a great leap and he landed flat in the crook of the tree trunk right on the cat. The cat gave a yell and sprang to the ground, pleased as punch to be safe and sound. So it's smiling and smirking, smug as can be, but poor old Dad still stuck up the tree.